Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your financial knowledge with NerdWallet, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the NerdWallet website. Once the home page loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the financial topic you want to learn about. Hit enter to see a list of relevant articles and guides. Select an article that matches your interest. Take note of the different financial tools available on the site. Click on the Compare option to explore various financial products. Choose the category that suits your needs, such as credit cards, mortgages, or personal loans. Filter the results according to your preferences. Read the reviews and ratings of each product to make an informed decision. Next, navigate to the Resources section. Here, you'll find calculators and budgeting tools. Use these tools to get a clearer picture of your financial situation. If you want to deepen your understanding, check out the Learn section. This section offers comprehensive guides and tips on various financial topics. Bookmark any articles or tools that resonate with you for quicker access later. As you explore, make sure to take notes on key points and strategies. Finally, practice implementing what you've learned into your financial planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.